The create table statement is one of the data definition language. To create a table, a user must have the create table privilege and a storage area in which to create objects. In the syntax, schema is the same as the owner's name. Table is the name of the table. Default expression specifies a default value if a value is omitted in the insert statement. Column is the name of the column, and data type is the column's data type and length. You can use constraints to do the following. Enforce rules on the data in a table whenever a row is inserted, updated, or deleted from that table. The constraint must be satisfied for the operation to succeed. You can also use it to prevent the deletion of a table if there are dependencies from other tables. Here are the data integrity constraints and their description. Not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, and check. Here are some common data types and their description. We have number, varchar2, date, and car. You can add new rows to a table by issuing the insert statement. In the syntax, table is the name of the table. Column is the name of the column in the table to populate. Value is the corresponding value for the column. This statement with the values clause adds one row at a time to a table. There could be some errors that can occur during user input, like mandatory value missing for a not null column, duplicate value violating any unique or primary key constraint, any value violating a check constraint, data type mismatches, and violation of referential integrity. Let us have an example of creating tables and populate data. So given the relationship between department and employee, there are many employees in a department and an employee is associated to one department. So given the attributes for department and employee table, we can assign department number and employee number as the primary keys for department and employee table respectively. To establish relationship, we have department number assigned as primary key to employee table since employee is the many side. So this establishes referential integrity. This is how to create the table. We first create the parent table, which is the department. Create table department, number, constraint, primary key, department name, varchar2, not null, location, varchar2, not null. And we run that. Then we populate the table with data using the insert statement syntax. So here are some insert statements to populate data for the department table. So we can check by executing the statement select asterisk from department. And we have the following rows. We have successfully populated the table department. And to make data changes permanent, execute commit. Next, we create the child table, which is employee, with primary key, employee number, and the foreign key, which is department number, referencing department table. So table was created. And let us populate some values to the employee table using the insert into statement. Okay. And we can check by executing select asterisk from employee. And we have successfully populated the table employee with the following data. Don't forget to save your work.